Both you and I feel time has come for us to say goodbye. If only I could heal you with this little lullaby. Close your eyes and see deep in your memory all the beautiful moments that we shared. Both you and I know time has come for you to disappear. I wish I could grow up and tell you that I feel no fear. Hold my hand, let's travel to your wonderland and live all the beautiful moments that we shared. Sunshine in our hearts, warmth on our skin, love in our souls, sparkle in our eyes, smile on our lips, music in our ears. But you and I feel time has come for us to say goodbye. If only I could heal you with this little lullaby. Hold my hand, let's travel to your wonderland and meet all the beautiful people that you knew. Sunshine in their hearts, warmth on their skin, love in their souls, sparkle in their eyes, smile on their lips, music in their ears. Time will come and you will be gone, but I'll carry on singing my song. I close my eyes and see deep in my memory all the beautiful moments that we shared. Sunshine in my heart, warmth on my skin, love in my soul, Merci beaucoup.